I'm a professional music producer. I have been #1 on Beatport, have millions of streams on Spotify, played in big festivals and clubs, yet for the first time, I am scared of AI as a music producer. This video will be 100% transparent and honest take on what just happened. But to make you understand where we are today, we will kick off with a simple test. Can you identify which of these tracks are made by using AI?
With each step on the moon dust in a sea of the greatest leader we've ever seen.
Before I reveal, please let me give you a context. It will just take 2 minutes, but it will make everything clear later for the video. Being a musician is not easy. First, there's a mountain of knowledge that you have to climb to, then the long hours in the studio. But the pay is rarely great. Streaming services barely pay a fraction of a cent. And after everyone takes their cut, labels and distributors 45.6%, taxes 16.7%, platforms 20.8%, and what we left is only around 16.8% of the revenue. Most producers only survive by touring or offering side services like coaching, ghost producing, or engineering like mixing and mastering or working in a concert and so on. Like any industry, the music industry is full of corporations that hunger for more profits. They would love to find a way either pay producers less or cut them out of the picture completely. Squeezing producers for less money is tough. There is already a lot of resistance against it. We are here, a really small piece of whole industry. But that whole industry is sitting top of the producers and musicians, so they can't just remove us, or can they? Now you understand why big corporates would love to jump at a chance to remove the producers from this picture and replace it with the AI. No royalties, no arguments, just music on demand. That being said, for years we were not worried. AI music tools were just not good. But for the first time, that all changed. Do you remember all the samples that I previewed in the beginning? Before I reveal which one were AI created, leave your guesses on the comments. And maybe before you do that, hear them one more time. I have put the marker below, so go back, give it a listen one more time. Alright, the big reveal. And all of them were made with AI. Yes, every single one of them. And if you don't believe me, here is the proof. This was the first one, and it's made by using an AI that's called Suno. Here we go. The second one, made by AI called UDO.
With each step on the moon dust in a sea of...
The third one, and the fourth one,
the greatest leader we've ever seen.
There is no way in Earth any casual listener will realize this is an AI. What is even funnier, these tracks are trending. This track alone has 168,000 streams. Just in this website without counting all the social media noise. But I haven't shown you how you create these tracks. Let me show you. I actually purchased credits for this one to go deeper on everything. It is really similar to ChatGPT. All you need to do is describe the song that you would like to make. Let's say deep house track with female vocals that you can listen to on a beach. The lyrics are, I am on the beach, AI makes the beat. I am now homeless, but AI has this. Actually, I realized you have to put that in the custom mode here. Yeah, and then we put the style of music here. Title, AI beats Alice. And then after you do this, it creates you 2 alternatives.
I'm on the beach, I mix the beat. I'm now homeless, but AI has the risk. I'm on the beach, I mix the beat. I'm now homeless, but AI has the risk.
We should probably repeat it a couple of more times so that we have a better results. Alright, I think that's enough repetition. Let's go one more time. Here we go. We have first one.
I am on the
the other one.
I makes the beat. I am now homeless, but AI has the wrist. I'm on the beach. I makes the beat. I am now homeless, but AI has the wrist. I'm on the beach. I makes the beat. I
Guess the drop is coming now.
I'm on the beach. I makes the beat. I am now homeless, but AI has the wrist.
The only thing that I can tell over here that is a bit more obvious is how the hi-hats are phasing. And I think it's because the high end has more information. But I can really see in a couple of months, not probably in a year, those will be fixed and there is no way you can tell this is AI. But if you're not convinced enough, we can try a couple of different genres, right? Rock track with female vocals that you can listen to on the beach. Same idea, same lyrics. Let's see.
I am on the beach. I makes the beat. I am not homeless, but AI has the wrist. I am on the beach. I makes the beat. I am not homeless, but AI has the wrist. I'm on the beach. I makes the beat. I am now homeless, but AI has the wrist. I am on the beach. I makes the beat. I am now homeless, but AI has the wrist.
Alright, another genre. Let's go for trap. This time let's change it to male vocals. Because, I don't know. Let's try male vocals. We haven't tried yet. Okay, at least the first one failed a little bit, so I'm happy. So this is not a female vocal. Let's listen to the other one.
I am on the beach, I makes the beat, I am now homeless.
Here we go.
But AI has a wrist. I am on the beach, I makes the beat, I am now homeless. But AI has a wrist. I am on the beach, I makes the beat, I am now.
There is no way you are convincing me you haven't really enjoyed the beat or vibing with some of these tracks. And this is only one app because I was looking, there's another one. There's already a competition in the scene. This is called Udio. And the same kind of menu, same kind of idea. And let's make a track. Go for a manual mode. Here's our lyrics. This time let's make a metal music but the same prompt. Metal track with male vocals that you can listen to on beach. It should be that metal song that you should be listening on the beach. So we push the creativity of the AI a little bit. This took at least much longer, but here we go.
I am on the beach. I makes the beat. I am now homeless. But AI's the wrist.
And this one is the second one.
I am on the beach. I makes the beat. I am now homeless, but AI has the wrist.
It's so good. I was playing this one with earlier, and this is the techno track it come up with.
Pound, 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 the beats. Alright, feel the heat.
It is decent. Again, I can hear the phasing, the issues in the highs and so on, but I really don't believe this issue they won't solve in a month or so. And let's try one more time this one. This one has, I think, a lot of people trying at the moment because the waiting times are much, much longer. Let's go pop music this time with the same lyrics. Okay, here are our pop on demand tracks.
I am on the beach. I makes
Is
the
this
beat.
pop really?
I am now homeless.
Maybe kind
but
of.
AI has the wrist.
It's almost like a bit. I wouldn't call it pop, but it was interesting nevertheless.
I am on the beach. I makes the beat.
So what's my take? Yeah, AI will be as good as a human producer, probably better in some ways. And yeah, I'm scared because I was hoping this will happen. The things that we are seeing today will happen maybe 2026, 2027, so I would have enough time to prepare myself to what to come. But here we are, this is today, this is happening. I'm scared of what this means for my career, but even more, I'm scared what this means for music itself. Think about it, the music on demand becomes literal. You feel heartbroken? Type it in. Type in the genres that you want. Type in the lyrics that you want. Type in the mood that you want. And then AI spits out the perfect ballad for you to listen. You need a hype track for your gym? Type it in. However you like it. And your track specifically tailored for you to listen. I think it's both incredible and horrifying at the same time. I honestly don't know what comes next. Will this kill the artist's soul? Or will it give us just more tools to make even greater things? How do I even react to this? Do I rage against the machine or try to stay calm and adapt to it? Bottom line, this is our reality now and this is now. AI music is not going anywhere. I'm curious, I'm scared, a little bit excited, but mostly, I guess I'm just waiting to see what happens next. Let me know what you think in the comment below. Are you thrilled? Are you terrified? How do you see AI changing music forever?